Hey guys, BDBGO here again. This time instead of coming at you with an intro pack or anything, I'm going to be coming at you with a fat pack. This fat pack roughly costs around, anywhere between $30 to $40 depending on where you pick it up. Pretty much what this is it's a big box of booster packs. It comes with like deck protectors, not deck boxes. It comes with a dice. It comes with a nice little book that explains all the cards in the set, and some backline stories to the sets, and things like that. So let's just jump right into it, I guess. Just grab my scissors. I'm horrible with these things. There we go. Try not to cut yourself, guys. So let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, what's also cool is that so you get this. This is the box. Now what's cool is here's the booklet. See? Booklet comes with some of the coolest cards in the set, some of the things you can do, some of the stories behind all the guilds and things like that. But the most important is you get a full deck list. Not deck list, but you get a full list of every card in the set. You might not want to throw this out too. If you're a collector, or if maybe you like collecting posters and things like that, you can unpeel this right here, and it's an actual poster. It's supposed to represent Ravnica for Gatecrash. It's a pretty cool little poster. But anyway, I know you guys didn't come in for all that stuff. You came in straight for the packs. So let's just open and see what's in here. Just toss all this crap out of here. These are the deck boxes, by the way. You get two of them. Yes, you get this one pack. This pack comes with a whole bunch of lands. It comes with all the lands with different artworks and stuff like that from the set, along with the 5 booster packs. And in here you get the dice with 5 more booster packs. And that's everything you get in the box. So let's go ahead and open these up. Let me open this one with the lands first so I can show you guys the different artworks for all the lands. So here are the 4 booster packs. And this pack, this is a sealed factory pack. You get all the lands. Pretty much you get all the design works. Not all the lands, you only get basic lands, not double colored lands, but even still. So I guess we'll start from back to front. Oops, dropped the camera. You gotta be careful when you're recording these things, So you get lands. You get the different lands with different colors of the set. So you guys can take a little peek at some of the lands. So pretty much what they do is they give you enough lands to be able to build a deck, but you get to see some of the artwork for some of the newer lands and some of the newer stuff. So let's just separate that, put it right here. It's probably gonna fall. Should probably put it down here. So for this pack, you get the dice. It's a turn down dice, and you get it with the little with the set symbol. It's pretty cool. Like I said, everybody came straight for the packs. So there's 5 more packs. So let's just jump into it. Let's open the first pack. This is the first pack out of 9. Hopefully we get something cool. So let's see what we got. Leyline Phantom, Sindric Sith, Bioshift. Man, what is up with the camera today? Spell Rupture, Simic Gates, Zarusha Tiger, Bomb Cord, Gruul Charm, and I got a Night Spectator. Oh, nice hollow planes. Nice. So that's the first pack. Second pack. After a couple packs, I'll just skip going through all the comments and stuff. I'll just go straight to the rares. Wow, look at that, a Dusk Mantle Sphere. This was apparently it's a mythic rare. Gotta see how much this guy's worth. Next pack. Oh look, the Boros Guild Gate. Nice. That's Sancha. Wow, that guy looks cool. Merciless Eviction. Ooh, next pack. 6 packs left. I'm like horrible at opening these packs. I haven't opened packs in a while. Let's see, Predatorial Report, Scourge Walker, so that's the rare. Still got 5 packs left. Hopefully we get something cool. I'm telling you, man. I'm telling you, this camera's going whack today. Alright, so we got Tim Street Market, Cloudfin Raptor, Aerial Maneuver, Sparrow Tracer, Odric, Metric Strider, Horror of Din, Madcap Skills, Denizen, Guild Ward, Dying Wish, Fortress Cop, Shank. Nice! Breeding Pools. I actually wanted this one. Great. It's $15 I have to spend less. Alright, 4 packs left. Let's go for something cool. Disciple of the Old Ways, Massive Raid, Metropolis Sprite, Angel Addict, Shamble Shark, Shattering Blow, Viridian Haven, Keymaster Rogue, Naval Squad, Gorge Clan, Rip Cycle Predator, Bane Alley Brooker, and 5 Army. Ooh, and a holographic Merciless Eviction. Alright, so we got 3 packs left. Let's see what we do. So we got Deathful Thrall, Towering Thunderfist, Basilisk, Purge Profin, Cycle Strike, Sky Blinding Staff, Skinbrand Goblin, Listful Wish, Gruul Gate, Two packs left. Angel Addict, Devour Flesh, Predatorial Rampage, Scourge, Martial Glory. Wow, they changed the artwork for Active Treason. Haven't seen this card since Zendikar. Right Gear, Viridian Haven, Keymaster, Argophobia. A Gyre Guild Sage. Nice, this could come in handy. And for the last pack, hopefully we get something cool. Shadow Denizen, Crocodile, the Warmind Infantry, Sky Knight Legionnaire, Paranoid Delusion, Basilisk Guard, Amber Beast, Sky Games, Slate, the Guild Gate, Boros Keyrune, Dying Wish, Mimic Games, and another breeding pool. Nice. That's cool. At least I got 2 breeding pools out of this pack. Not too bad. So yeah, that's the opening. If you guys are interested in any of the cards in this pack, please let me know. And hit me up. Either message me, or if not, leave a comment, and we'll see if we can work out a trade, or maybe we can I can sell it to you, or whatever you prefer. Alright, this is BDBGO signing off.